fact, the exhaust does fold out. It's like blue, exhaust blue bar. Past all these people 3 times, they're probably sick of seeing me.
This is third.
Hey buddy, how are you?
You want on the other side too or no?
Yeah, we'll get you. We're having a good laugh. I mean,
Yeah.
you know, so boom. Like,
You just have one more lap.
Sorry, dude. I'm starting to feel it. What? Let's see that. You want your drinker?
still sitting out there, so it's like, oh, that's good.
Oh, yeah. Rich, what's that big one? The big one? Yeah. Car looks good. All 4 cars good. Moving good. Good. That's a little.
Tell me about my motor. Put on the baling wire you can on the motor. I tucked my steering, my toe end is off.
You're losing your 200 miles per hour.
It's in the rack.
Well, I had to pull the hood, so that's why the tape's loose.
200 miles per hour. Have you been going fast down there?
Inside stud. How about what? Let me see. Just throw them down here.
Yeah. This one is smaller, but it's a different size head.
Quarter inch.
Quarter inch.
5 minutes.
Oh no, they printed that. Well, across and then down. This one. Yeah. That thing's kind of been graded, dude. Probably been graded down. Oh yeah, that's what I said yesterday. It's been, yeah. Dick had 3 flats on the first lap.
I knew he had. I knew he was. He let me buy him, but
He said we just never run those tires
I'm
again.
like, oh,
First
geez.
time he's run them. Yeah,
I don't know what happened to that. I do.
What is it, 12 belt? This fucking exhaust is coming off.
Coming off.
Yeah.
Tighten it more.
I know.
Where's that big screwdriver?